Yesterday we made a video on BMW. They have sent a patent out for some BMW tipped screws that you'll have to buy a specific tool to take those off. Well, I've been reading more and more about BMW, and Kash Patel, the director for the FBI over here in the States, well, I didn't know this. I'm a couple days behind, but I'm always behind. He's decided to drop Chevrolet. And what I mean by that is Chevrolet has always carried around the Suburban, has always done diplomatic government duty, hauling around FBI directors, important people for the FBI, things like that. Well, under Kash Patel's leadership, we're not going to use the Chevrolet Suburban anymore. They're going to use the BMW X5 Protection VR6. Now, the BMW is awesome. It's got a V8 turbo, may have twin turbos. I think it does have twin turbos. It's also got a 48 valve hybrid system. But it goes back to my thing, what is an American car now? Because see, the X5 is built over here in the States. I guess I should have looked that up before. I'm going to stand by that. If I said something wrong right there, trust me, the comment section will skewer me. But I'm going to stick with it. So the X5 is built over here in the States as a sport activity vehicle. It's not a sports utility vehicle. It's a sport activity vehicle, because BMW is not going to be, and that's something they've been doing since they brought this sucker out back in, like, I don't know, 01 or something. But anyway, I don't know when the first year they expect. It doesn't matter. Okay, so it's for protection. It's got, you know, layered glass. It's got bulletproof glass. It's got, you know, Kevlar panels and all that. So I don't know the exact word. So it's safe. Actually, I do want to read one more thing to you. It meets the stipulation of Germany's, and I'm not going to try to say that, but that is the name of that. Look at that word. In English, that means the Association for Test Laboratories for Attack-Resistant Materials and Constructions, VPAM for short. It is specialized in ballistic resistance and blast resistance. So I'm not saying that it's not an awesome car. You can also get the big 7 Series SUV or SAV. Excuse me, I made my own mistake. You can get a 7 Series in that. Okay, but anyway, here's the thing, okay? He quoted, one of the reasons why they quoted is they said that it would have cost several thousands, millions of dollars to bring up to date some of the Suburbans, okay, to bulletproof and to Kevlar proof, and, you know, make them almost like the Beast. Well, not like the Beast, but anyway, to bolt them up. What about a Hummer? I mean, they're acting like that they needed to go to BMW to get armor-proof vehicles. What? Ford's got stuff, but Chevrolet, are you kidding me? And sorry, you want to get people's attention and look militarily and all, whoa, the Hummer will make the X5 look. Anyway, sorry, I don't know that I agree with this, but I can't wait to see what y'all think about this. The BMW X5 Protection VR6. I wonder what maintenance will be like on that. Because taxpayers pay for that. I mean, I'm not trying to be whatever. I'm not trying to be an old man. I'm just saying, maintenance on that hybrid system, if anything goes wrong. But hey, what am I talking about? Quit being a pessimist, Casey. You're right. Thanks for watching the video. Have a hobby.